And now here we are at the production plant. Do you know how it is possible to have a laundry port packing machine that is perfectly suited to your production requirements? Look, this is a laundry port packing machine which is ready for shipment. In Water-Soluble factory, we always take the customer demand as the core orientation and build a complete service system from demand analysis to landing delivery. Whether it is the function, configuration, or appearance design of the equipment, we respond quickly, tailor-made for each customer to provide a comprehensive equipment customization program. After the process quality department audit and a number of testing control equipment off the production line, our team of engineers will quickly go to the customer site to provide professional equipment debuging and production training to ensure a smooth transition to mass production stage.